Welcome to House Lux Estate, your #1 guide to mastering your finances and navigating the world of real estate. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Here at House Lux Estate, our mission is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed financial decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone just starting out on their financial journey, we've got something for everyone. Our channel covers a diverse range of topics, from real estate investment strategies to personal finance tips and tricks. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that is fundamental to financial success: developing strong financial habits. It's not just about making money, it's about how you manage it. It's about understanding the value of a dollar and making it work for you. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, stick around as we dive into this crucial topic. First off, let's understand why financial habits are so important. You see, financial habits are like the steering wheel of your financial vehicle, guiding you towards your desired destination. They're the routines that we follow daily, weekly, and monthly to manage our money. Just as we have habits for health and fitness, like going to the gym or eating fruits and vegetables, we also need to develop habits for our financial health. These habits dictate how we save, spend, and invest our money, and they play a critical role in shaping our financial future. Good financial habits, like budgeting, saving, and investing wisely, can lead to financial freedom. This freedom isn't just about having a lot of money, but about having control over your financial life. It's about being able to make choices that allow you to enjoy life today while also securing your future. It's about being able to handle unexpected expenses without stress, and it's about having the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws at you. On the other hand, bad financial habits like overspending, not saving, or making poor investment decisions can lead to financial struggles. These struggles can be as minor as running out of money before your next paycheck, or as major as finding yourself in a mountain of debt. They can limit your options, create stress, and make it hard to achieve your financial goals. So it's clear that our financial habits play a massive role in determining our financial health and wealth. They can be the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and achieving financial freedom. They can be the difference between being at the mercy of your money and being in control of your money. Clearly, developing strong financial habits is a crucial step towards achieving financial independence. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, the first place to start is by examining and improving your financial habits. They are the key to unlocking a more secure and prosperous financial future. Now, how do we develop these strong financial habits? That's the golden question, right? Let's break it down into clear, manageable steps. First and foremost, setting financial goals. This step is akin to setting the GPS for your financial journey. You need to know where you're headed, whether it's paying off student loans, saving for a down payment on a house, or preparing for early retirement. Having a clear goal gives you something concrete to work towards. It's also important to make these goals SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $5,000 by the end of the year for a vacation." Next, we move on to creating a budget. This step is your roadmap. It shows you how to get to your financial destination. It's all about planning how to use your income to meet your goals. You'll need to account for fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments, variable expenses like groceries or entertainment, and savings or investments. When you're done, your income should equal your expenses plus your savings. This is known as a zero-based budget. Now that you have a roadmap, it's time to start your journey. This brings us to tracking your expenses. It's easy to stray off the path when you don't know where your money is going. By tracking every penny, you can see exactly where you're spending and make adjustments as necessary. There are plenty of apps and tools available to help with this. Once you've got a handle on your spending, it's time to focus on saving and investing. This is where you fuel your vehicle for the journey. Saving provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, while investing allows your money to grow over time. Aim to save at least 20% of your income and invest what you can in low-risk, long-term options. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick, but to build wealth slowly and steadily. Finally, continuously educating oneself about personal finance is crucial. Consider this step as your vehicle's maintenance. Just as you need to keep your car in good shape to reach your destination, you need to keep your financial knowledge up to date. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, or even hire a financial advisor. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. These steps may seem daunting, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to developing strong financial habits. By following these steps, you too can develop strong financial habits that will serve you for a lifetime. It's not about being perfect, but about making progress. So start today. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Of course, developing strong financial habits isn't always easy. There will be challenges along the way. But fear not, for every challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become more financially savvy. One common financial challenge is dealing with unexpected expenses. These can throw a wrench into even the most well-planned budget. The trick here is to have an emergency fund. This is a buffer to shield you from unexpected expenses, be it a car repair or a medical emergency. Start small and gradually build this fund. Even a little bit can go a long way when you're in a pinch. Another hurdle is the allure of instant gratification. It's tempting to spend on the latest gadgets or designer clothes, but it's crucial to resist these impulses. Instead, focus on your long-term financial goals. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to finances. Debt is another monster that can hamper your financial journey. It can seem insurmountable, but it's not. Start by tackling high-interest debt first. Make regular payments, no matter how small. And most importantly, avoid accumulating new debt. And then, there's the challenge of income fluctuations, especially for freelancers or entrepreneurs. Here, budgeting is key. Plan for lean months by saving more during prosperous times. Also, diversify your income streams if possible. This can provide a safety net during times of uncertainty. Overcoming these challenges requires perseverance and resilience. There will be setbacks, but don't let them deter you. Instead, use them as stepping stones towards your financial goals. Cultivate a positive mindset and remind yourself of why you started this journey in the first place. And remember, you're not alone. Seek advice from financial advisors, read books, listen to podcasts, join online communities. There's a wealth of knowledge out there to help you navigate your financial journey. Remember, the road to financial independence isn't always smooth, but with determination and the right habits, you can navigate any obstacle. So there you have it, your guide to developing strong financial habits for life. We've explored the significance of these habits, how they can shape your financial future, and the steps you can take to cultivate them. Remember, it all starts with understanding the importance of financial habits. They are the building blocks of your financial health, and without them, it's easy to fall into debt or live paycheck to paycheck. Next, we dove into the practical steps to develop these habits. From setting clear financial goals and budgeting to saving and investing, each step is designed to propel you towards financial stability and independence. Overcoming financial challenges may seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well equipped to face and conquer any financial hurdles that come your way. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and insights. Here's to your financial success.